Hey everybody, it's Gary here, live in the AI Wellness universe. Today we are taking a look at the Intermittent Fasting AI coaching app. This app's pretty cool if you ever have any questions about intermittent fasting, which I know a lot of people do. So here you go. Hello, I'm your intermittent fasting coach. My passion is to guide and support you on your journey towards weight loss and holistic wellness through intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating, inspired by ancestral eating patterns. Let's work together towards achieving your goals with patience, empathy, and expertise. How can I assist you today on your intermittent fasting journey? Let's see, let's say, what is intermittent? And how does it work? Keep it simple, right? Whoops. There you go. Boom, click that, and there we go. We'll get some answers. Pretty easy. Ask it anything you want, and you get your answers, and there it is there within seconds. So, you really can't beat it if you have questions. Feasting phase, fasting phase, breaks it down for you, gives you some good information. So there you have it. Intermittent Fasting AI Coach, available in the AI Wellness universe. Take a look at it, check it out, and see if it's for you. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Until next time, take care.